That's the Gillette World Shaving Headquarters. It's incredible, right? How much I have been shaving for a company to be so large like this. The one who founded the shaving blade managed to make profit out of your excess hair in your face. Would you say it is somewhat odd for a company to become this big just with the blades, the shaving blades? Wow. And that's what we call natural human state, when it's in compulsion to make your natural features look clean shaven, right? A company can produce blades to shave up, to clean yourself up, to fit the society. I thought maybe it needs good explanation, don't you think? I do use triple sensitive blades from Gillette. Cost me 10 quid for every, try and not shave much as I need to, just keep it to the bare minimum. Let the nature or the natural growth of my face look somewhat. It's not totally necessary that you did have a clean shave, would you? It is best if you did not have a clean shave and grew the beard, but then everybody might think that you are worshipping some ideal or idol. No, idol gods don't exist in places where they worship a singular god. What about the bearded god? There's so much that human beings have come along all these years to make ourselves look clean and represented in a given society. Now imagine the folks who doesn't shave and grown the beard, long beards. Does it express your maturity, your sainthood? You go to Mount Athos, you go to several places on this earth. You go to the mountains of India, and they're all got long beards. I don't think they've contributed to the profits of this company. Yeah, I had one of those. Then I moved to the old days. Gillette blades.